Hello everyone, I'm Tinsimeto, and today I'm going to express my deep joy and admiration as I congratulate His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama for his 2026 Grammy Award for the Best Audiobook Meditations. A voice the world listens to in silence, honoring His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama of Tibet. Some voices ask us to listen, others gently invite us. And then, once in a generation, there is a voice that needs no invitation at all. Because when it speaks, the world naturally grows quiet. Today, with deep reverence and quiet joy, we celebrate His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama, honored with the 2026 Grammy Award for Best Audiobook, Narration, and Storytelling for Meditations, the reflections of His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama. This award does not simply recognize as an audiobook. It recognizes as a presence, a lifetime of wisdom carried on breath, a voice shaped by compassion, humility, and an unshakable faith in the human spirit. When His Holiness speaks, there is no urgency, only clarity. No performance, only truth. Each word arrives like a soft bell in the mind, reminding us to return to ourselves, to kindness, to one another. Meditations is not only just something you merely listen to, it is something you rest inside. Through his gentle cadence and luminous reflections, His Holiness reminds us that happiness is not a luxury, peace is not a miracle, and love is of course not an abstraction. They are practices available to us in every moment. That this voice has been honored by the Grammy Award is beautiful and meaningful. It tells us that in a world obsessed with volume and spectacle, gentleness still matters, still resonates, still wins hearts. His Holiness often laughs and says he's just a simple Buddhist monk. Yet, through that simplicity, he has become a teacher to the entire human family, not by telling us what to believe, but by showing us how to live. This Grammy belongs not only to him, but to every listener who has felt lighter after hearing his words, every soul that has paused, breathed, and chosen compassion instead of fear. May this honor remind us that the most beautiful storytelling is not about drama or dominance, but about the truth spoken softly. Congratulations, Your His Holiness. Thank you for your voice. Thank you for your light. And of course, thank you very much for reminding the world that kindness is still our greatest power. Congratulations, Your His Holiness. Thank you.